Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 22nd April 2021. In the international market, US Treasury yields remained range-bound on Wednesday. In a 24 billion US Treasury auction of 20-year bonds on Wednesday afternoon, direct bidders took 20.2% of the offer. That was 5 percentage points more than the average, and the first time in the last 12-month auction history of the bonds that direct bidders accounted for more than 20% of the accepted yield bids. This auction shows the strength of US Treasury for long-dated papers from the international investors, where in their home countries, yields are still negative. US 10-year closed at 157 and 30-year closed at 226 on Wednesday. Did you know that Bank of Canada will be reducing their bond buying program on the back of strong economic recovery in Canada? The firm decision from Bank of Canada will come in a day on their bond buying program. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $65.07 per barrel. Short-term range is 65 to 67 for crude. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 91.07. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.85 to 91.30. Dollar bears are not able to take it below 91 so easily, and 91 level has not been breached for the last few days. We expect 91 to be breached today, hopefully. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 649. USD INR with a high of 74.98 closed at 74.88. USD INR's range for today seems to be 74.95 to 75.50. As we had informed you on Monday that USD INR made a low of 74.64 below our 74.70 target, and then it retreated from that level. Knight research team is still bearish for USD INR and expects 75.50 very soon. If the COVID-19 situation does not come under control sooner, we may see USD INR testing all-time highs as well. Beware of RBI intervention, as we do not know yet where RBI's tolerance level is. In the domestic market, 515 GS 2025 closed at 554 versus 553 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 607 versus 608 the previous trading day. If we look at the T-bill auctions on 20th of April 2021, 91-day cutoff at 333, previously it was at 335. 182-day cutoff at 352, 364-day cutoff at 375. There was a heavy buying in the 182-day T-bill from public sector banks, which in turn were sold to others, and we can expect it to be RBI. We are now awaiting long-term variable rate reverse repo information as the 14-day VRR matures tomorrow. 585 GS 2030 for short-term is expected to trade in 605 to 611 range. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.